it's broken. Let's just go until it's probably 5 seconds. Hi guys, SNAGZ here. In this video, I'm going to be seeing how fast I can click my mouse. Okay, this is a clicking speed test with my regular Apple mouse for 10 seconds. Smart, but not fast. Next one is we're going to use my gaming mouse. This one is more ergonomic for gaming. Same result. Now we're going to use the auto clicker built into the mouse. See what speed we get. Yeah, well, we're getting faster. Look at that. Time to go full throttle. You are not far from being the best. And now we're going to get out the big guns right here. 50 clicks per second. Let's go. Oh yeah, look at that. Already in the 300s. That's insane. I didn't even get to read that. This is my Linux computer, and this program is called Clicker Normal Speed. Five-second test. Well, 151 clicks in 5 seconds. And this is the really crazy one. 5 seconds again, but so fast. It's broken. Let's just go until it's probably 5 seconds. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you next video.